video, I'll do a quick rundown of the Enable3 loyalty and engagement platform's admin dashboard. You'll see what's inside and how to set it up properly. When you first log in, you'll land on the Basic Setup screen. The Basic Setup section is your quick launch checklist. 5 steps to take you from zero to a live loyalty program. The first step is the view type. This is where you decide how your loyalty program will appear to your users. You have 2 options: a widget, a mobile or web widget embedded directly inside your product, or a landing page, a standalone responsive page for engagement outside your app. On the right, you'll see a live preview updating as you make changes, so you always know exactly what your users will see.